As the custodial crew arrives to begin their day at Hillcrest School, the cleaning that takes place there is only a drop in the bucket to what is maintained around the entire county.
Right now we're working on 53 sites. We have 7,121,674 square feet.
Yes, you heard him right. There is 7,121,674 square feet that must be maintained 365 days a year.
Custodial department has 271 employees that take care of all the acreage and all the square footage.
How that number breaks down for each custodian personally seems just as astronomical.
On a daily basis, an employee that's going to clean 25,000 square feet, if you look at your average household, is somewhere around 2,000 square feet. They're cleaning 12 and a half houses every night. So 12 and a half houses is a lot of square footage when you think about it from that standpoint. So when these custodians are in, if somebody's out sick, they now are picking up that extra space. So they could clean 35 or 40,000 square feet in one night.
The duties that are included when cleaning are important for every single day.
We will every day have to get garbage. We'll go through, we'll vacuum classrooms, we will sanitize bathrooms, we will sweep, we will mop daily. Dusting, we actually dust classrooms. And we have to fill dispensers, paper towels, toilet papers, and keep, as that way the school is ready for the next day.
We have to keep the schools as germ-free as possible. It's very important because without doing that, the teachers can't come to work because they're sick, or the children aren't in school because they're sick. So we do have a direct effect on school grades as well.
Keeping the schools clean is just one of the many roles these unthanked heroes do. But there is also a security role they play to keep the school safe, not just from germs.
They got to remember too, if we have a lockdown, what the custodians, the day guy, he actually has certain doors he will lock down if there is a lockdown during that time, or if there's a tornado drill or anything like that. There's certain things that he has to lock up and secure before that stuff can go down.
And that's what it's all about. It's about taking care of the children.
The Student Barbershop, located at Marion Technical College's East Campus on Fort King Street, is now accepting appointments for services. The barbershop is part of the training students enrolled in Marion Technical College's barbering program receive to prepare them for entering the workforce. All services are provided by students under the instruction of a licensed barber. The Student Barbershop is open Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday evenings. Haircuts start at only $5. Call 352-867-2150 today to schedule an appointment.
What all the Automotive Academy entails is basic training and basic knowledge that you wouldn't have known if you hadn't taken it. So, like, kids who know nothing come out of here knowing something about something. It doesn't have to be special. You could just know how to change it. The oil, some brakes, make sure your tire's good, you know, just simple stuff that people come in this program to know. You don't have to take both ears to know that, but they say it's better if you do, because that'll give you the whole shebang in a sense.
Especially if someone actually takes it out mudding and wheeling, it's probably not going to be even, but mainly you're looking at your...
My love for mechanics was built from a young age, and racing especially. I'm a big fan of racing. I love horsepower, I love speed. We offer something here called ASE certifications. Now the ASE certifications is the Automotive Service Excellence. I currently have one of the top numbers in the ASE certifications. There are 3 of us with a lot of them. So that will provide you specialization in certain areas like HVAC, brakes, steering and suspension, engine performance, engine maintenance, light maintenance. And it allows you to draw information from the course and then put it into what you're going to use in everyday life, because almost everyone here, if they go into an automotive background, they're going to get ASE certified. Front right tire is 11 and the rest are all 13, so you're good. Not a lot of technicians today are getting that ASE certification because millennials, we think something's hard, we don't want to do it, you know, and that's what you got to look for, is if you do your ASE certifications, business owners like that. Big shops like that. Ford, Dodge, Chevy, they all like an ASE certified mechanic. Mr. Parks is a master certified ASE mechanic. For me, sitting at a desk at the school was just not enough. And I wanted something that would get my foot in the door. So like I'm thinking about UNOH and UTI. Those are both great universities for the statutes I want to perform out in the high performance industry. That's what I love. So when you come here, you don't sit here. I like to say 30% of the time you're spent working in the book in the beginning. And then 70% of the time, towards the end of the year, you're gonna be out there in the shop banging it out, just getting her done. If you're really interested in coming here and working your tail off to be here, then I would suggest it to anybody. But if you're gonna sit here, come play on your phone, it's not the spot for you. We want people who want to learn about the automotive industry and who want to become professionals.
Marion Technical College will host its Fall Open House on Saturday, September 29th. This event is open to the general public. Visit the main campus and discover why so many people are choosing to attend MTC. Choose from 26 career training programs, which include the following in-demand fields: health science, information technology, manufacturing, business and management, construction, culinary and hospitality, public safety, salon services, and transportation. Visit our website for a complete list of program offerings. This special event will also include food vendors, community and business expo, and giveaways including a financial aid package of up to $3,000 towards an MTC training program.
This is the first ever Student Athlete Leadership Seminar in the state of Florida. We as an association wanted to give back to our schools through the development of student athlete leaders. With the development of student athlete leaders, we can give back to their communities, give back to their schools, and overall help them grow as people, which will help us in return.
Well, I'm captain of the volleyball team, and I hold many leadership positions in my school, and I thought that doing this would help teach me how to be a better leader and how to work with my peers better and kind of take their thoughts into consideration to make the programs that we're in better for the future. As
part of the Florida Student Athlete Leadership Seminar, we've partnered with Special Olympics Florida to give all of our student athletes in Florida a chance to participate in unified sports, which is partnering a student athlete with an athlete that has a mental disability. Unified bocce ball is what we're playing right now. I think it's important to have our athletes experience different types of scenarios and have them interact with people that maybe they've never thought about interacting with before, and give them a chance to branch out and really bring back to their schools leadership qualities that they might not have thought they needed.
I think it's an amazing experience because it kind of helps promote integrating like all different kinds of people and all different kinds of things, and showing that we're all the same. We can all do the same things. We're all human beings who all enjoy each other's company, and I think it's great for showing the youth that in the future, like, that they can be better people to others around them.